camera's very shaky. Whoa. So I'm headed to class right now, but today's Thursday, and I have a multimedia gala tonight to attend. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Just thought I'd intro that before I kind of just jump straight into it. Alright, good morning. I'm looking down at you because I have my headset in and I don't want to take it out. So I'm going to go play football because AUP is back week, has a football event. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. Vlogging. Do you want to be in the vlog? Oh, okay. So I'm going to go play football at an abandoned water park. So yeah, this will be fun. Yeah, so over the past 2 weeks now I've been busy. The baking class was on Saturday. I learned how to make croissants, a dish called baskets, and pain au chocolat, which is really just a chocolate croissant. It's just called something differently here. It was a super fun class. I mean, I went to that, and the chef was there, and she showed us how to make all these things. We put them in the oven for a bit. And then we ate them all, which was good. I really enjoyed that. Yeah, yesterday we had football. We got kicked off by an actual American football team. Not American, they were French kids playing American football here, which seemed really weird, but I guess it's a thing here, and they actually know how to play football, none of us do. So that was that. Christmas decorations is starting to come out because we're done with Thanksgiving now. So at the school there's these, and it's essentially just trees hung in the middle of strings of Christmas lights. I don't know how safe that is, but I mean it's a thing, and it looks cool. And then there's also your more traditional looking decorations like these ones. I'm gonna do a whole on Christmas in Paris video later on, so there's gonna be more of Christmas coming. What else? Oh, there was a protest yesterday. Here's some footage of that. Yeah, so they were pretty much protesting the fuel price increases. So they marched through Paris, they burned some stuff, tear gas was used. One of the metros I was on got filled with tear gas. That was not fun. But yeah, they're protesting that right now here, so it's kind of touch and go in some areas you just straight up avoid. Yeah, other than that, it's been my past 2 weeks. So I'm back on the vlog path. I took a week off, not sure why, but I did. So yeah, I'll keep doing updated vlogs more weekly now. And yeah, I'm gonna go make some hot dogs now, and then watch some Netflix and go to bed. So see y'all again next week, and good night from Paris.